This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you like any of the products in this video, please check out the links in the description below. We're talking about the storage containers that we use most commonly in our cake studio. So we have a range of sizes of Cambro containers, right? That's just the manufacturer. And I like the translucent plastic round ones. They are just really great. They're dishwasher safe. They can go in the freezer, which means if I have to store fillings or buttercreams, the whole thing can just go right in there. I can take it out when I need to thaw it when I use it again. They're easy to label and date with some masking tape and a Sharpie. And they come with lids that fit really, really well, right? And one of the things I like, ooh, hear that snap, about the 2 and the 4 quart containers is the lids are actually interchangeable. So it's the most popular size I keep on hand, and it's great for a small cake studio. A lot of times we use this one for fillings and this one for larger batches of buttercream. We even use it some for some dry storage for some ingredients that we keep on hand. And then we have these big 8 quart ones that have the discernibly, noticeably bigger lids that go on them, right? And we use those for our large batches of buttercream. But these ones are great to pop in and out of the freezer when we need to store something small, when we've got some excess and leftover. They also have the great red lines on the side that give you your quart and liter measurements. So if you're looking to do inventory quickly and you keep a lot of sauces, fillings, or other things on hand like that, it's a great way to spot check and check out your amounts, right? For smaller amounts, I tend to use the Chinese quart containers, the pint or the half pints. They all have the same size lids. They're really, really cheap. They can go in the freezer and come back out. And if I end up having to give them away, a lot of times we pack small amounts of things like candied nuts, sauces, anything that goes along with desserts for dessert tables and these. And if they don't come back, it's a really cheap investment and it doesn't really matter, right? So these are the most popular sizes of storage containers we use for our cake studio. If you like this video and you'd like to check out more about the equipment and materials we use, or get some great ideas on cake decorating, follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you're interested in learning more about cake decorating and want to sign up for our yearly membership, you can visit us at www.cakedecoratingschool.com. If you're interested in any of the products specifically in this video, you can check out the links in the description below.